Good morning, I'm Zariah, and today is Friday, January 24th, 2020, and this is your Riverhawk Morning News. Today's spirit theme is Alley Day. Are you wearing your rainbow colors? Today is National Peanut Butter Day. What is your favorite peanut butter? Is it creamy or crunchy? Do you like Skippy or Jif brand or the store brand? According to Statista.com, 297 million Americans ate peanut butter in 2019. Do you know what state produces the most peanuts? Georgia. The state of Georgia produces the most peanuts in the U.S. Next week is National Kindness Week. There will be activities during lunch Monday through Thursday. On Monday, come to the stage and purchase a candy gram for only 50 cents to send to your friends and let them know how much you care about them. Happy New Year again. Miss Liang, Miss Lee, and Miss Sun want to tell you about another new year.
Good morning. I'm Miss Lee, and I have Miss Liang with me
Hi.
and Miss Sun with me.
Hi.
Tomorrow is Lunar New Year. Many Asian countries such as China, Indonesia, Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, and Vietnam use the lunar calendar, and they will celebrate the New Year.
Anyone born in the recent year of 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, or this year, 2020, has the Chinese zodiac sign rat.
Some fun and interesting facts about the zodiac sign of the rats are: they're thought to be clever, quick thinkers, successful, but they're happy to live a quiet and peaceful life.
Their lucky number are 2 and 3, and their lucky color are blue, gold, and green.
Because rats are independent and creative, best careers for people born in the year of the rat are authors, editors, artists, engineers, and architects.
If you were born in the year of the rat, you will do well in school this year by working hard, focusing on your studies, then you will surely meet your goals.
You can stay healthy by eating breakfast, exercise, and remain cheerful.
If you were not born in the year of the rat, but are interested in what your Chinese zodiac is, you can go to the link listed on YouTube comments below to find your sign and your horoscope.
We also leave you with a link on how to make a rat like this one for the Lunar New Year decoration, so you can see below. Happy Lunar New Year!
新年快乐！
恭喜发财！
恭喜发财！
新年快乐 OK
Now, here's Ariana in the club corner. Ariana?
Thanks, Zariah. If you want to learn to hip-hop, meet Miss Goche in B2 today. After school, B2 is by the office near the student entrance. Tabletop Games Club is meeting today, 2:45 p.m. in L2. You need your student ID. Clubs that are meeting on Monday. The club meets in M4, 2:45, 3:45. Pineapple Club is meeting in 2:45, 3:45 p.m. in F7. Pride Club will be meeting in room F2 right after school. Go Green Garden Club will meet in the garden or F4. Yu-Gi-Oh! And Marvel DC Club is on Monday in room M2. Now back to Zariah.
This concludes the Riverhawk Morning News. Have a great weekend, and remember, be safe, be respectful, and make good choices.